Most sourcing problems don't come from one big mistake. They come from skipping small steps throughout the process, choosing too fast, not verifying details, rushing into payment. Experienced buyers don't rely on luck. They follow a system. Here is the full step-by-step process professional buyers use when sourcing from China. Step 1. Choose the right supplier. Not the cheapest, the most reliable. Look at communication. Are the answers clear? Are they consistent? Because unclear communication early becomes bigger problems later. Step 2. Message clearly. Most buyers send vague messages. Professionals don't. They send structured requests, clear specs, clear quantities, clear questions. Better input creates better output. Step 3. Compare suppliers properly. Don't compare price alone. Compare what's included. Compare communication. Compare consistency. The goal is not the lowest quote. It's the most predictable supplier. Step 4. Request samples, not randomly. Specifically, confirm materials, dimensions, packaging, and request photos before shipping. Because small mistakes at the sample stage become expensive in bulk. Step 5. Evaluate samples properly. Don't just look at appearance. Check quality, check finishing, check accuracy, and most importantly, evaluate the supplier. Did they follow instructions? Because samples don't just show the product, they show how the supplier works. Step 6. Prepare before placing the order. Lock everything in writing. Specifications, pricing, payment terms, timeline. Nothing should be unclear because production follows instructions, not assumptions. Step 7. Structure the payment. Deposit first, balance after inspection. Payment timing is leverage. Before payment, you have control. After payment, you depend on execution. Step 8. Double check everything. Before the order starts, before money moves. Because small mistakes early are easier to fix. Big problems later are expensive. Professional buyers don't rush. They prepare. China sourcing is not about finding one good supplier. It's about controlling every step of the process. When you follow a system, results become predictable. When you skip steps, results become risky. If you want daily China sourcing how-to videos that break down each step in detail, follow SourcingXpro. I share how professional buyers operate, so you don't have to learn through expensive mistakes.